Neutral, standing desk chair. Step E, backrest assembling. Just make sure the arrows here point the same way. Grab the 4 and 6 asters 20mm backrest screws, put them in, and tighten them up. Step R, mechanism assembling. Heads up, make sure you don't put the mechanism on backwards. Here. Step 3, backrest bracket assembling. First, drop the 4M8 asterisk 16mm back bracket screws into their holes. Tighten them halfway first, and then go around and tighten them all the way down. Step 4, base assembling, wheels assembling. Connect base parts using 1010 and 6 asterisk 12mm base screws. Fully press the 5-5 wheels into the base sockets. Step 5, standing mat assembling, gas lift assembling. Step 6, put the seat and base together. Step 7, screws cover assembling.